we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kokorona heat press stand table with 3-tier storage. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include 3 tiers construction and larger storage space. Specially designed for heat press machine. This heat press table features a convenient structure with 3 tiers of storage space to meet your needs. It perfectly holds a heat press, sublimation printer, sublimation supplies, and accessories. The first tier panel size is 20 x 20 inch, large enough to accommodate most sizes of heat transfer press. Foldable shelf and easy storage. The heat press stand has foldable shelves on both sides. You can operate it by pressing the bracket behind the panel. Fold-down shelves give you more working space. And they have strong support, no need to worry about crushing. When folding, the entire heat press stand can be stored in a smaller space. Suitable for home or studio. Movable heat press table. The bottom of the heat press stand is equipped with 4 non-slip feet for stable placement. It can also be replaced with 4 wheels. The 2 of the wheels can be locked or remain unlocked to move at will. Anti-collision rounded panels and sturdy heavy-duty workbench. The sides and uppermost panels are shaped with round corners for safety. Our heat press table is heavy-duty with strong metal tubes and thickened panels. Sturdy enough to have a good load capacity and look nice. Easy to install and start your DIY. Comes with detailed assembly instructions and assembly tools, very easy to install. With this heat press stand, your heat press don't have to sit in the corner. Ready to start your DIY and craft work. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.